Hello friends, welcome to my channel Computer Succeed. In this video, we are going to discuss about block diagram of computer. Block diagram of computer. The different parts of computer are organized and how various operations are performed between different parts to do a specific task. The internal architecture of computers may differ from the system, but the basic organization remains the same for all the computer systems. So this is a block diagram of computer. We can also say computer organization. There are four parts of the system: input, processing, storage, output. So let's understand this diagram in detail. Start with input unit. Input unit. This is a process of entering data and performs into the computer system. You should know that a computer an electronic machine like any other machine which take as input raw data and perform some processing giving out processed data. Therefore, input unit takes data from us to the computer in an organized manner for processing. Now let us talk about central processing unit. Central processing unit. The task of performing operations like arithmetical and logical operations is called processing. The central processing unit takes data and instructions from the storage unit and takes all the sort of calculation based on instructions gives and the type of data provided. It is then sent back to the storage unit. So let us have a look. Arithmetical logical unit. Arithmetic logic unit ALU. Arithmetic unit AU, logic unit LU. There are some processors now that have more than single AU arithmetic unit. ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations when a set of instruction or program is conveyed out. Control unit generally characterize which sort of operation to execute. The arithmetic operation comprises addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and the logic unit carries out the operations such and, or, equal, less than, greater than, and later the control is changed to ALU and the result generated in. ALU later store or puts away in transitory memory. Now see the control unit. Control unit. The control unit or CU control or coordinates all activities performed in the computer system. It receives information or instructions or direction from the main memory of the computer. It tells the logic unit, memory as well as the input and output devices how to handle the program or instructions in proper order. Next is the storage unit. Storage unit. This type of work and action is done by the storage unit. In the other word, we can also describe the storage unit as the unit which gives space to store data, instructions to produce data and produce result. It stores information and instructions. It stores results. It stores consecutions of prepared data. Now let us talk about the output unit. Output unit. This is a process of producing result from the data for getting useful information. Similar to the output produced by the computer after processing must also be kept somewhere inside the computer before being given to you in a human readable form. Again, the output is also stored inside the computer for further processing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and share. To get more information, visit our website which is given in the description box.